Hello student, welcome back in the online class of General Knowledge. In the previous video, we had studied about eye care. Today, we will know about first aid kit. The name of the chapter 39 is Making a First Aid Kit. Dear student, emergency can take place anytime, anywhere. So, we should always have a first aid kit in our home, which we can easily access during the time of emergency. Okay, now see what is a first aid kit. A first aid kit is a collection of supplies and equipment that is used to give medical treatment. First aid means first treatment given to a patient before the arrival of a doctor. What things we should have in a first aid kit? See, important things. First one, cotton, gloves, scissors, safety pins and capsules. Okay. Now, all of you open page number 46. Dear student, see which points we should keep in mind while making a first aid box. See, first point, pick a good container. Container means box. Take a sturdy and portable storage box. Sturdy means having handles which can be held, and portable means easy to carry anywhere. Means for making first aid box, we should choose a box which is having handles and can be carried easily by anyone. Okay, means having lightweight. See, second point, label the kit. Clearly identify the kit by writing first aid with a permanent marker. Means after selecting a box with a permanent marker, we should mention first aid on the box. Okay, see here as it marked here first aid like this, so that anyone can read it. If it should be written in clean handwriting, anyone can read it and know that this is first aid box. See the next point. Make the kit safely accessible. See, select a spot for the first aid kit to be placed from where it is reachable and accessible to everyone at home. Means first aid kit should be kept in such a place where anyone can easily get it. Either it is a small one or the big one. Okay, it can be easily accessed by everyone. Okay, on such a place first aid kit should be kept. See, next point number 4. Keep the kit up to date. Keep a track of the supply quantities and the expiry dates regularly. Restock it as and when required. Means after making first aid kit, we should not forget that now first aid kit is ready and no need to see or check it again. Whatever medicines we are having in first aid box, it's our duty to check it once in a week or once in a month to see whether they are having dates or they are expired. And whatever things get over, we have to restock it. We have to fill the box again. Okay, with new medicines, new cottons and capsules, whatever it required. See, point number 5, stocking the kit. The kit must be well stocked. Means whatever materials, medicines, cotton, whatever we are keeping in the box, everything should be in good quantity or in good amount. Name the items which are shown below that must be included in your first aid kit. See here, some items name given. Other items also we have to keep in the box, but these are some important items which every first aid box should have. Okay, except these items, other important items also should be kept in the first aid box. See, the most important thing, first one, cotton. Spelling COTTON. Okay. Next one, gloves. GLOVES. Okay. Third one, scissors. SCISSORS. Fourth one, safety pins. Spelling SAFETY. Safety pins. PINS. See next, capsules. CAPSULES. Okay, capsules for headache and paracetamol for fever and other things too. Okay, these are some important things. Except these things, other things should also be kept in a first aid box. Okay, like balm and ice pack and other things. Okay, see, whatever things are here, electrol. Okay, some important things should be always kept in first aid kit. And never forget to check the expiry dates of the capsules, whatever you have kept in your first aid box. Okay, students, hope you have learned what things should be kept in a first aid box. And if you are not having a first aid box, you will make a first aid box and keep the necessary things in it. Okay, thank you. God bless you all.